further than this. A couple of brokerage upgrades coming in, which I'm just going to mark after I see what the Nifty and the SENSEX rates are. So let's see. The pre-open rates were indicating about a 0.5% downtick for us. It is indeed a bit of a red start for us. So we're just hovering around that 39,100 level for the SENSEX as we speak right now, about 0.4% lower as we speak in trade. So here come the first rates then on your screens. Reliance just a smidge lower, 0.2%, 11,527 for the Nifty. It is a red start indeed, much in line with what the rest of the globe, or for that matter, with the pre-open rates as well. 0.5% lower, so no big alarming causes of concern really. This is negligible. This is something that we can deal with. The declines though are taking over this morning. So you've got a 2:1 market breadth, which is in favor of the declines as we speak right now. Now let's take a look at the high flyers. Whether you're seeing further momentum come in on an M&M, whether you're seeing some more momentum coming in on the likes of a DRL or not. What is Idea up to after its presentation, which just made it to the exchanges a short while back? Axis, as I see, is under pressure. M&M, ICICI Bank, TCS, HDFC, IndusInd, Bajaj Finance. Financials are the weak link this morning, as is some of the red ticks within the IT universe. DRL still holding good. Tata Power is up 7/10. PVR is seeing some gain. Grasim, Z, these are your gainers. On the flip side, Idea is down 3%, IDFC first, Ashok Leyland seeing some profit taking, Tata Motors, Bandhan Bank, these are your laggards this morning. But 11,500 Nikunj for now at least is staying put.
I'm surprised, frankly, if you ask me, because my understanding of the news is that this is for India marketing. And this is nothing to do with what will happen to the Russian vaccine in Russia. If that is the case, and if Russia vaccine has not been approved, then it's like saying you're trying to count your chickens even before they've hatched. So just my understanding, okay. But price action is price action. You could respect it. 47.16 for Dr. Reddy. It's up more than 100% from the recent low. It's an okay day for market breadth. Cannot say it's very powerful. I want to particularly look at IT space. Particularly, why? Because if there is weakness in the dollar index, which is what happened last night after the Fed commentary, then the overarching theme for IT in a sense really changes. And that is something which you need to be very cognizant of. I also would like to point out Z. Do not underestimate what media companies are doing. Things will normalize and advertising will come back. Companies who've conserved a lot of cash and capital by not spending during pandemic crisis, I'm sure they would like to come back and try to gain market share. IPL is back. So not only our evenings are going to be busy, it's something which is an indication which way the ad market is going to move for media companies. A disclosure here, which I always maintain, that the channel you're watching is owned by the Times Group, India's biggest media company. So whatever we say in media, of course, we are a media company at the end of the day. You got to look at BPCL and Cipla, which is off to a okay start. But breadth, Aisha, in the F&O space, I mean, I'm looking at the charts of what's happening in the F&O space. The breadth for F&O stocks is terrible. So it's not turning out to be a great day for those leverage names as far as the F&O space is concerned.